How's it going, guys? A really quick video on how to replace alternator on Chevy Tahoe, Suburban and such. It's really easy to get to it. We just need to remove this air duct assembly. We're going to need to remove 2 hose clamps and disconnect 2 hoses. And now this entire air duct assembly is going to easily come right out. Use a breaker bar to release the tensioner and take out the serpentine belt. Next, unplug electrical connector and disconnect this wire. Next, remove 2 mounting bolts on the bottom and then take out the alternator. At this point, you can take it to your local auto parts store and use it as a quote to buy a brand new alternator, and I'll gladly take it from you because chances are all it needs is new brushes. They wear out over time and it's a very simple and easy process to replace them. And if you're interested, check out my other video where I show you how you can do it yourself for only $10. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks, bye.